Right now I am standing in one of my large triangular flower beds, and they came with the place that we moved into. This bed needs a lot of grass weeded out of it because it's been raining nonstop. So I've got to get out here and get this done. Looks like it's going to rain today, actually. But I'll show you what is popping up in here. I have a huge patch of indigo, comfrey, more comfrey, alcampaign coming up. And then over here, I have a lot of lemongrass. It's huge this year. I have some columbine, silver dollar plant or lunaria, irises, and then in here I have some oxeye daisy, Rebecca rhubarb. I have some balloon flower coming up in here. Creeping Jenny, delphinium, some lavender, and variegated sage. It's another kind of sage. Chives. Speedwell. I have another color of speedwell, and I have one that's kind of blue. There it is. One that's kind of purple. Soapwort. We've got our bugleweed blooming down here. I love that stuff. Yeah, so there's a whole bunch in here. Oh, yeah. And over here is the black-eyed Susan. And it's been eaten down by the groundhog. Hopefully some of it comes back. Evening primrose. And did I show you the lungwort? Not sure if I did or not. I love the leaves on these. But here's some that's flowering. Anyway, this bed is full. I've also got a lot of seeds that I've popped in. But yeah, I have to get the weeds out of here. I do have some coreopsis in here that needs more dirt. And when everything's going in here, it's beautiful. And also when everything's going in here, it drowns out the ability for the grass to get like this as well. So this is a tour of one of my flower beds.